guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my room, and I'm going to be organizing everything, disinfecting, and just doing everything possible that I can to get it as clean and germ and virus free as possible. Now, I'm sure you guys are aware of everything that's going on in the world right now. It is absolutely chaotic, and I just want to do my absolute best to stay the safest and clean that I can, as you guys should be too. So I haven't done a clean my room with me video in a while, so I feel like now would be the best time to do it. I'm going to literally dedicate my whole day to doing the most to my room that I can. Now, I'm no expert or doctor by any means, but it does spread by you like touching your face and stuff, so I am going to be wearing a mask because I do have a really bad habit of nail biting and just like I'm always itching my face, playing with my lashes, or just like something. So yeah, I have a mask to prevent that, and I'm not going to be wearing gloves or anything, but I will be hand sanitizing a lot. Okay, so this will prevent me from touching my face or spreading it. But I look ridiculous, but it's not about fashion here, it's about safety. So I'm just going to start by taking off all of my sheets, my comforter, my pillowcases, and everything like that. You have to move. Aww, honey. I had to wake her up. You can sit on this chair that you like in the meanwhile. I actually did wash my sheets and my comforter recently, and it kind of sucks because this like sheet is so hard to get on because I have a mattress topper on my mattress, so it like just doesn't agree with the like fabric. I don't know, like doesn't move around, and it's super hard, but you know, we're gonna have to do it. I also got sheet grippers from the last time I filmed one of these videos, and they help a lot. They're from the dollar store. It came in like a 4-pack. Best purchase. I'm gonna do my comforter in a separate wash just because it is very heavy. It's a winter comforter. Yeah, it's so thick. So I'm gonna do my sheets and pillowcases and then that, because I feel like it won't wash right. I don't know how else to wash pillows if this is incorrect. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't do anything, I don't know. Okay, so now the bed is good, and I'm going to do all the wash later, so you guys will see the final result at the end, but I'm now going to wipe down all of the tabletops, so over there, I'm going to take everything off, put it in the middle, and use these. I usually would do glass cleaner, but for today, I'm going all in. This is by far the desk that gets the most dirty just because it is my makeup vanity, so lots of foundation smears on it, powder gets on it, smudges, and yeah. I'm definitely gonna make sure to clean places where like my hands tend to touch a lot, like things like this, controllers. I'm really making sure to get everywhere. There are some permanent spots on this glass that don't come off, but for the most part it does clean up pretty nice. These bulbs tend to get super dusty like really quickly because they're not the most typical place to clean every time you just like, you know, wipe down a table. It's a really good thing that they're super easy to take off. All you do is just unscrew it and you can just wipe it and screw it back on. I am going to get a glass cleaner for the mirror plates for the lights and also the mirror. Although this is glass, this is something that you really touch. I don't really touch the mirror, so I mean it's not something you really need to disinfect, but I am still going to wipe it down and clean it. For the TV, I don't want to waste these wipes, so I'm just going to be doing the buttons and disinfecting those because that's what I touch. But I don't really touch the TV, so I'm just going to wipe that down with some regular cleaner. I was just down there disinfecting my PlayStation, which is like under this desk, and it was so dusty. That's a place that I usually forget to clean for whatever reason. I am also going to be cleaning my makeup brushes, but that is after my whole room is situated, and I'm not going to be filming that part just because it takes a while. Okay, so this over here is my wash situation. So this basket is my comforter and sheets. So those will be two separate loads. And then over here is my blanket and then my wash that needs to be done. So I think I'm going to put in my sheets and everything first. Just because I kind of need that done first because I need to go to bed tonight on the bed. So I got those baskets out of here, and for this stuff, I actually never put this away from my last video, which was the haul. And these are all the clothes that I got from Shein. They're still in their bags because I just put them back after I tried them on. But I need to hang them up and put them away. So for now, I'll be doing that, hanging them in my closet. They've literally just been sitting in the corner of my room. Alright, so here's the pile for all of the shirts that need to be hung up, and then here are the pants that go in the drawer, so we'll put these away. I need to go through the hoodies on the back of my door as well. I have way too many, but I think that's a different time. Later, after I have everything situated, like my room is clean, my bed is made, like once everything is completely 100% done, I'm probably going to go through my closet and get rid of anything that I don't wear. I'm either going to post some stuff on Poshmark or make a donate pile. I'm now gonna clean over here. I also have all the stuff that was over here up on the bed now because I'm gonna vacuum after I'm done with this. But as you can tell, this side table gets so dirty. That's because I put my food on it whenever I eat, but you know, we're gonna wipe that down. I'm also gonna wipe down on the sides of my bed frame. It doesn't really look too dirty on camera, and to be honest it's not, but it does get dusty, so just wiping that down. Also, my cat steps on this every time she gets up on my bed, so she sometimes leaves like paw marks and her hair like flies everywhere. And then the same with up on top of here. This gets super dusty. Now for, of course, the most important part, I'm gonna wipe down all of my door handles. Now that everything is up off the floor, I'm gonna go get the vacuum and vacuum everywhere that's visible, including under here. So I'm gonna move this out and put it on my bed. Now moving on to cleaning my windows. As you can see, inside my windows gets pretty nasty. Obviously this net here allows anything to come inside, but obviously not past the window. So in here is pretty dirty. I'm going to wipe that down. Then I'm going to clean my windows on this side. Then I'm going to take them out and do like the inside and also those windows up there. So I'm putting up the outside screens up a little bit just so I can get underneath. I don't really open these at all, so it does get pretty mucky under there. So this is now the final. I just need to put on the comforter and sheets for my bed, but that is basically it for like the rest of it, like cleaning and wiping everything down and organizing. Alright, hey guys, so it is actually now the next day, and since I put my sheets and my comforter in 2 separate loads, they didn't both get finished by last night, and also I kind of just got tangled up in schoolwork anyways. So it is now the next day, and I just ended up sleeping on my mattress topper. I just put a blanket down and it was fine. So I'm now going to put on both those things and also my pillowcases. Also, I didn't even think to mention this, but if you guys are interested in a room tour, I did film one recently. I'll leave it linked down below. And you can also find out where I got any of my furniture from if you are curious as well. Alright, how long have I been filming? Literally 10 minutes later. So that was it for this deep cleaning / disinfecting video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also comment down below what you're doing if you are in quarantine right now. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.